Hi guys! So today is very gloomy and kind of rainy and kind of blech outside, but something's gonna make our day a little brighter. What do we get, Nathan? We got my Bloomsy box. Let's open it and see what April looks like.
Let's go.
Okay, so like every Bloomsy box, it is secured inside. Let me show you. There it is. Tied up inside. We're gonna open it and make sure nothing is broken. Okay, we cut it open. Nathan, can you open the box? Okay. Oh, happy day. Ooh, I'm seeing some yellow.
Oh, wonderful.
Oh no, we have one broken. Okay, move the box. It looks like they tried to protect some of the little flowers right here. This is what they look like. Let's cut the bag open. Nathan's opening up my roses. Let's see, how does it look? Ooh, they look great. Let's do that to the other ones. Okay. Nathan wanted to take the netting off of this one. Pull it up. And open up the leaves, flatten it out.
Like this?
Okay. I opened it up just a little bit more.
Look at this.
Oh, wow, those are pretty. Those are like little mini roses. Here's another one that was in our bouquet.
What's this?
I think we're gonna remove a couple of these leaves too, and then clip the ends. I'm not sure, we'll have to see what they say. And then put them in the vase that we're putting together right now. Look at this pretty lilac. It complements that yellow so nicely. It's gonna be pretty.
I'm touching the middle on accident.
Okay. This is another one. This is how it's looking so far. Okay, that's all the mess that we had after we took off some of the extra leaves. Okay. Clearly, I am not a professional at putting flower bouquets together, but I think it came out pretty good. So this is April's bouquet. This is the one that I got. They do have some that's just all roses. I don't have that one. I kind of like the variety. However, I will say be careful because there are a couple of little thorns on a couple of them. They're normally really good at removing them all, but today we had a couple and Nathan and I both got poked. But we survived. It's okay. And I think they look beautiful. I love this yellow color. And it's right in time for Easter. So there you go. That was my April Bloomsy box. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe button. Bye.
Thanks for watching.